You're not getting 0 views because your video is bad. You are getting 0 views because YouTube is not pushing out your videos at all. And getting 0 views on your videos after putting a lot of effort in it can be very discouraging. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down what you might be doing wrong on your channel and how you can fix them ASAP. So it is either there is a problem with your channel or you're uploading the wrong way. The first thing you need to do after opening your channel is to go to your YouTube studio and get these settings in place. Once you open your YouTube studio, you are going to see the setting button. So go ahead and click on it, and the first thing you need to do is to select your country of residence. And the second thing is to input your channel keywords, which is what your channel is about. This is going to give YouTube ideas on what your channel is about, and they are going to push out your videos to people that are in need of your content. You need to put in at least 10 to 15 keywords in that space. The next thing you want to do is to go to your default settings and make sure your visibility is at public. Don't put it on private, don't put it on unlisted, make sure it is always on public. Then go to your advanced settings and make sure you choose the category your video falls in and also the language. Once you are done with that, just save your settings and go back to YouTube. Be sure to watch some videos, like some videos, comment, subscribe, so YouTube can know it is a person behind this and not a robot. Once you start your YouTube channel, you don't want to start uploading on the first day. You need to wait for at least 3 to 4 days if it is not an aged account. Within these 3 to 4 days, make sure you are watching videos on this channel and you are commenting, you are liking, you are subscribing. If your channel is a new channel or you've been using your channel for a while now, make sure to go and check your settings and make sure they are all in place. So if you're a new YouTuber and you want to start posting videos, make sure to post at least 1 video daily. One thing you can do that will completely ruin your channel is to post 3 to 4 videos daily as a new YouTuber. There was a channel that I had. After doing all the settings, after waiting for 4 days, I started posting, and I posted my first video. I got about 1.3k views. I saw this as a green light and I started posting more videos on the same day. I posted about 3 videos that day. So believe me or not, the first video got that's 1.3k views, and then the others, they just stopped getting views at all. They stopped getting views, and it's really paid me because the channel was a very good channel. It is an aged account. I've gotten all the settings in place and everything was intact, but I did that one mistake and it ruined the channel. Till now, I haven't been able to get the channels to function really well. So don't do that on your channel. So now that you've gotten your channel ready and you started uploading your videos, one thing that's definitely going to happen is you're not going to get views on your first 5 videos. It's a completely normal thing. In the video I mentioned earlier, I told you I got lucky with that channel. The channel really paid me. I got lucky with that channel and it got views on its first video. After that channel, the ones that I'm currently working on, they didn't get views on their first 5 videos. It was all on 0 views. And the reason this happens is that YouTube doesn't know much about you yet. They don't know what your video is about. They don't know who your audience is. They don't know who to show your videos to. So they need to gather more data on you before they can start pushing your video out. So on your first few videos, if you don't get views on it, don't be discouraged. The problem only starts when you've uploaded about 15 to 20 videos and you're still getting 0 views. That means there's a problem with what you are doing. When you're past all of that, you should start getting some views, but you shouldn't be getting between 100 to 200 views. If you are getting between 100 to 200 views, there is a problem with your videos, and mostly it's because of your video hook. If your video doesn't grab attention in the first 3 to 10 seconds, I'm gone, and so is everybody else. And once people don't watch your video to the end, YouTube is not going to give you more views. That's when your videos will start sitting down between 100 to 200 views and you are not improving. So what you can do is to make sure your hook is very strong. Make sure once people see your video, they have something to be expecting at the end of the video. Make sure your video is very entertaining and do your editing well. Next thing you want to pay close attention to in your videos are your thumbnails. This is very important. Your thumbnails aren't just for decoration, they are decision makers. Your thumbnail should tell a story, spark an emotion, or raise a question, which means once people see your thumbnail, they should be tempted to watch your videos. And also your title. Make sure your video title is also very hooking. If you don't know how to come up with title, you can just go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some titles that has to do with your video that will stop you from scrolling. It will give you a list of them. You can just choose one. Another mistake you might be doing on your channel is that you are being very vague. You are posting content for everyone. Only you are doing about 3 to 4 niches on your YouTube channel. No, you should choose just one niche. Check out the niche that is really doing well and you can just choose it and make videos on it on your channel. If you want to make videos on another niche, you can just open another YouTube channel and post those videos on those channels. It's better than putting all of them together in just one channel. So it's not going to know what your channel is about and they will end up not pushing your video out at all. And another thing is you are not creating good content. If you are not creating good content, if the quality of your video is bad, if your sound is very bad, if your video is overall not very good. YouTube is not going to push out your video to a lot of people, and your channel will end up going down. That's why you'll be on YouTube for a year, 2 years, and you have no development at all on your channel. If you're just a stranger to your content, will you watch your videos from the very beginning to the end? Watch your videos in the eyes of a viewer. That will make you see your mistake and make you see, okay, this is what I'm doing wrong, for you to change it and then grow your channel. If you are creating long form content, there is another trick you can do that will make your video go more viral, which is by remixing your long form videos into 15 to 30 seconds and posting them as shorts. A lot of people using YouTube tend to watch shorts more than long form videos. So if you mix your long form videos and you make them into shorts, there is a very high possibility that your video is going to pop up in their short field, and then they are going to say, okay, I'm in need of this thing that this person is talking about. Then they will go to your long form video and watch it too. Getting 0 views doesn't mean your content is bad. It just means YouTube hasn't figured out who to show your content to. So you need to focus on making good thumbnail and title, remixing your videos as shorts if you are in the long form video aspect, and also posting consistently. The algorithm doesn't wait for anybody, and neither should you. Apply at least one tip from this video to your channel today and come back and tell me how it goes.